Hi, my name is Malcolm Roberts and I'm Director of Sales here at SWI. The following video is designed to help you register a 2-year or a 3-year MSDN subscription.
Alright, so we're going to begin registering a 2-year or a 3-year MSDN subscription. The first step is to go to this website here called the Microsoft Volume Licensing Service Center, or VLSC for short. The address for the website to type in is https://www.microsoft.com/licensing/service center. That should take you to the website. Once you get to the website, the first step is to go ahead and click on the sign in button. And you're going to type in the Windows Live ID that you used for your order. So it should be the same email address. So go ahead and type in the email address and then the password. Then click the sign in button. And once you've signed into the website, you should get this kind of home page here. Now go ahead and click on this Licenses tab here and choose Relationship Summary. Click on that. And scroll down, and you want to find the license ID or the agreement number that corresponds with your order. If you bought a 2-year MSDN subscription, you'll get a license number. If you bought a 3-year MSDN subscription, it'll be listed under an agreement number. So scroll down and choose the right license number. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this second one here. So go ahead and click on this hyperlink right underneath license. And that should take you into this page here that says License Details at the top. And it'll have some information here. The most important thing, what we're looking for our MSDN is right here where it says Manage MSDN Subscriptions, click here. Go ahead and click on this link here. And that should take you into MSDN Subscription Administration. Now, you'll notice some of your information here, like start date and end date. You'll also notice several tabs down here at the bottom. Subscriber search, assign subscription, assign multiple subscriptions, and so on. If you're registering one MSDN subscription, we're just going to use this assign subscription tab. If you're registering multiple MSDN subscriptions, you can go to this tab. But for our case, we're just going to register a single MSDN. Now, it's not a problem. If you see this red lettering here that says your search returned no results, don't worry about that. That's not a problem at this point. So for now, we're just going to go ahead and click on assign subscription. Now, the first thing it's asking for the corresponding MSDN level that you purchased. It's very important that you choose the right level. So if you bought, you just want to make sure that you get the level right here. Otherwise, you might run into some problems down the road. Now, in our case, we went ahead and bought what's called the MSDN Operating System subscription. So I'm going to choose that level. Now, the first thing that comes up here is a list of benefits associated with the MSDN. Subscriber downloads, media, technical support incidents, managed news group, and online concierge. Now, by default, the media option is not checked, but you should be eligible for media. And if you want media, go ahead and check the media box. In our case, we're going to go ahead and claim the media associated with the subscription. If you don't want the media, you can leave it unchecked and you'll just have access to the software via the download site. So in our case, we're going to claim the media. So I've got all my benefits checked, and then I'm going to click Next. Now the first thing it's asking for here on this page, assign subscription, is the website wants to know who the person is that's actually going to be using the MSDN license. MSDN is licensed per user, so it's one name per account. So in our case, I'm going to go ahead and put some information in just to kind of fill in the blanks. Now the email address is actually very important. This is going to be the email address that the user is actually going to have their MSDN license associated with, or their MSDN subscription associated with. So in our case, we're going to use this kind of generic Windows Live ID. So we've got that filled in. Next step here, it wants to know, you'll see that country is a required field. So go ahead and choose the appropriate country. It should be the United States. So let's see here. We'll scroll down. There we go. United States, correspondence language, English. Now you can ignore reference 1 and reference 2. Those are search boxes. If you wanted to type in some search criteria, that might help you find the licensing a little quicker. But in our case, it's really not necessary to fill in reference 1 or reference 2, so you can skip those fields. Click Next. Now, because we want the media shipped to us, we're on the media shipped to page, so we've got to fill in the address that the media is going to be shipped to. So I'm going to fill in some generic information here. And 1, 2. Okay, so we filled in our address that the media is going to get shipped to. Now scroll down and you'll see that one media kit or one set of DVDs is available to us. We haven't claimed it yet, so we've got one remaining. And I'm going to scroll down to the very bottom here where it says Add Media Subscription and select Language, English. Now, Comprehensive Kit included. I'm going to go ahead and check that. The Comprehensive Kit is the welcome kit that includes the briefcase and the starter discs. So if you're buying a new subscription, you're probably going to want to claim that. If you're buying a renewal subscription, you still have the option of claiming the Comprehensive Kit again. So if you want it, go ahead and put a check mark in that box. If you don't want it, you can just leave that check mark blank. So we'll go ahead and click Next. Okay, so now we're on this page here, and we've got all our information kind of filled in. And basically what you want to do here is just review the information to make sure you didn't make any spelling errors or typing errors. And you want to make sure that all the benefits are assigned as yes. So everything looks good, so I'm going to go ahead and click the Finish button. Okay, so you'll notice here now we have a user set up under this MSDN. We've got a generic name, we've got an email address, we've got a subscriber ID number, it shows the level, and it also shows that all of the benefits have been assigned. Okay, so this is the email that we're looking for from Microsoft. The email should come from msdnbenefits@microsoft.com. So scroll down to this little button here that says Activate your MSDN subscription now and click it. And this should take you to the MSDN website. And the first step is to go ahead and sign in with your Windows Live ID account. And once you get into the website, it should take you to this page here that says Activate My Subscription. Type in your first name, your last name, the email address that was used to register your subscription, and your subscriber ID. And the subscriber ID you can find on the email. It's this number right here, so we'll go ahead and copy this and paste it into this field. And put a check mark here where it says I acknowledge and accept, and hit OK. And when you get to this page here where it says My Account and it shows all of your subscription details, you've successfully registered your MSDN subscription.